Ni rianirira rirekinyira Kenya na urito riu magitanya gukorwo makihinyirika kibeca makiria ni muthogora wa maguta ni undu mwenyitaga itemi hari wongerereku wa thogora wa indo undu mwe na marihi ma ukui wa ngari cia muingi. Kuringana ruhonge rwa kuramata thogora wa maguta bururi-ini ERC, petrol yongerekete na ciringi 47, dithero ikongereka na thendi 3 na maguta matawa makongereka na thendi 19.
The changes in this month's prices have been as a consequence of the average landed cost of imported products. Super petrol increasing by about 4.21%. That is from $610.5 per ton in October to $636.22 per ton in November 2017. Diesel increased by 0.55% from $540.66 per ton.
Guku muci munene wa Nairobi, petrol gukorwo ikiendio na ciringi 104 na thendi 17, dithero endio na ciringi 92 na thendi 44, na maguta matawa mendio na ciringi 74 na thendi 42. Na kwa muci wa Mombasa, petrol gukorwo ikiendio na ciringi 100 na thendi 49, dithero endio na ciringi 49 na thendi 17, na maguta matawa mendio na ciringi 68 na thendi 65. Mwena wa Naikuru, petrol kwendio na ciringi 104 na thendi 88, dithero endio na ciringi 93 na thendi 36, na maguta matawa mendio na ciringi 72 na thendi 27.
Currently we have actually enough stocks to last us the festive season. Basically we have 15 days security of supply. If anything happens in receiving our product at Mombasa, as a country we can survive for 15 days. But there is a plan with the commissioning of the new pipeline, we call it Line 5. We want to grow the security of supply to 30 days. Kenya Pipeline is aiming to commission that line the next few days.
Bwana na Wongerereku uyu Akenya ingi makiria ri marathi icagi-ini niguo gukungwira thiguku ya Chrismas na ya mwaka mweru mata gukorwo magicungiririo kuri thogora wa iguru undu mwe na kugumirwo ni wongerereku wa thogora wa indo. Kiuria kinene ni kana hi thogora uyu ni ugacoka thi kuno koretwo kiongereka hari mieri 3 mihituku. Mweri muhituku petrol kiongereka na ciringi 2 na thendi 22 thutha wa kuongereka na ciringi 3 na thendi 37 mweri-ini wa ikumi. Thogora uyu kwambiriria kurutithio wira kwambiriria thaa 6 cia utuku wa umuthi. Kuongerereka kwa thogora wa maguta ni undu mwerekeirwo hi kuongerera thogora wa indo ona kana kuongerera ngarama ya ukui. Na uguo Akenya makorio gwithema na kuhuthira mbeca cia uru ihinda ria thiguku nigetha gwikanethema na gwikora hairo mwambiririo wa mwaka ukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.